Hi everyone and welcome back to World of Mike. We've got something a little bit different tonight. This is your replacement Eddie Stobart slot. So this will take over Eddie Stobart's slot this evening. Eddie Stobart will come on Friday instead. This week has been a little bit hit and miss. But anyway, I was sitting there and I was thinking, what can I do for the Wednesday, the Wednesday slot? And I thought I'd make a start on this, which is something new I want to try out. As I said, I don't want to do part works forever, and this is sort of like a part work, but like you do it in however long you want. I'm probably talking gibberish. But this is Revell level 3 apparently, 172 scale, 38 parts, 12 centimetres, 15.5 centimetres, Supermarine Spitfire Mark 2A. So once again, that's a Spitfire Mark 2A. And I got this off Amazon, and I thought I'll give it a go because I've seen John's Iconic Builds doing it, and I thought, do you know what, that looks really impressive. I want to try it and give this a go. Now obviously, as you can see, that's the end of the box. What this consists of, we'll get to this in a couple of minutes, but basically you get yourself a little manual, and in there you will get various bits of instructions. This is very interesting. So we've got some sort of foreign writing there, and as you can see, we put decals in it, which is really good. So these are like the decals and that, so you actually put them in water and that, which is really good to make them stick. And as you can see, then we get the instructions booklet, and basically just guiding us how to make all of this happen. And then you have to paint it, and that is the bit that really is exciting, because we get to put skin on it, we get to make it to be what it is, and it will eventually look something like that with a bit of luck. I've never attempted one of these before, so these are the decals. I mean, how cool is that? They look absolutely gorgeous. I really like that one there. It's like a target, so I really quite like that. So yeah, what we're going to do first of all is we'll look at the parts as well. This is just an introduction video, so we're not actually going to be doing any today, but I just wanted to give you a rough idea of what we're working with. So this will be coming to the channel every Wednesday at 10 AM, commencing from next week. So that's how, these are all the sprues. Oh wow, look at that. It's got clear plastic in that, which is really good. And obviously that gives us a rough idea of how big this plane is. So that's going to be a nice little cute petite plane. And then obviously these will all have individual sprue sections. As you can see, various bits and pieces there. And we've also got these pieces, which look absolutely beautiful, really lovely. And obviously, as you can see, each one is sort of numbered. So you've got B, this is sprue B, and then obviously in here you've got sprue D, and then you've got this one here, which is sprue A. So that is looking absolutely fan-dabby-dozy. Now obviously in the magazine, the part that we've got here would be obviously A and D equals 16. So what you would do is you would look for sprue A, and then you're looking at, there's another number here, so we've got 3 and we've got 1. So looking at that, they're saying here that it's number 3 on sprue A. So again, sprue A and then number 3 like that. And then as you can see, you would get your clipper, your cutters, and then cut that out like so. We might do the first section actually, see how we go. As you can see, cut that out. And then as you can see, that is section 3. Okay, so sprue 3, which looks like that, with a little nodule bit at the top, so it looks really good, as you can see. And then we would look at sprue A part B, and we're looking for the one that says B on it. So sprue A 4, which is this little seat here, as you can see. So we're going to cut that part out as well. So it's very easy. And that's our little seat here. So as you can see, that's the little seat. Okay. Looks really, really lovely, as you can see. And then obviously from there, what would happen is we would have to put this onto this little seat section, but it would sit, I assume, something like that. So it would sit on there like that. Okay. I should imagine. Yeah. So it'll sit on there like that, and then obviously you glue that in into that little section there. It keeps falling off. Then obviously on the back you'll have something that looks like that with the seat like that, as you can see. So for this, what I would do is, there's a lot of obviously things that you need here. So obviously number one, you've got, you know, glue, and then you've got painting, and then you've got the decal, and then you've got decal, something that says soft. So as you can see, you're saying decal 16. But obviously before you put decal 16 on there, we know that we've got to paint this because it's indicating here that we paint it. So obviously we would look at decal 16. And on here you're looking for decal 16. Oh right, decal 16 is that one there. Okay, and so on and so on. So this will, because of the length of time involved in this, you know, you've got to get paint in, you've got to get all sorts of wonderful things. That was just a little example of how you operate it. So obviously you've got the seat here. These two parts are ready for painting, and they will be painted, and then obviously we'll connect the seat, glue the seat up, and then put the decal on. And the decal, I should imagine, would go somewhere on the back of here. As you can see, it's absolutely tiny. But yeah, just to give you a rough idea of how that goes, that's basically that little thing there. So something a little bit different, you know. Never done a Revell kit before, and I think this is a lovely project to work on. You know, it's nice and cheap as well. And obviously the level rate, they've got a level chart here between 1 to 5, I'm assuming easy to difficult, but yeah, just something a little bit different. But yeah, so join me next Wednesday when we will hopefully be painting this up. And obviously on the back here in this manual, we just go to, just having a little look here if it's on this page. No, it's in the other box. If we look on the box here, it does give you like a colour chart of what the paints and that you'll be using. So obviously we're talking like Humbrol, that sort of thing. But yeah, if you want to get yourself this, I'll put the link in the description below. And yeah, so hope you like that video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Remember to tap the bell if you want to be notified for all the videos I do. And yeah, we'll see you soon. But if you do want to get this, as I said, I'll just put these parts over here for the minute. As I said, if you do want to get this, head over to Amazon. The link's in the description, and you can get this for yourself of the Supermarine Spitfire Mark 11A. Once again, Eddie Stobart will be with us on Friday, and until then, I hope you enjoy this lovely little introduction of this wonderful, wonderful Revell kit. So yeah, and if we're successful on these, and you know, it goes together how I want it, and you know, we don't have any breakages or anything on there, and it's all painted perfectly, then that will I will then decide on whether I want to do more, because it's the painting that if it's not going on how I want it, then it will probably be like a one-off thing, like that dragon from Diamond Paintings with Mike. But yeah, hope you like that little video, and I'll see you tomorrow for Titanic. Bye.